Hey, Patrick. Good morning. How's your morning going today?
Hey, Shirley. Good morning. My morning is really calm today. I woke up early, like not too early, just early enough to feel peaceful, you know? I made a cup of warm tea, sat near my window, and just watched the quiet street outside.
Aw, that sounds so peaceful. I love quiet mornings like that.
Yeah, quiet mornings feel like a little gift. What about your morning?
My morning is good. I kept everything slow today. I stretched a little, washed my face with warm water, then opened my window and let some fresh air inside. It felt calm, really calm.
Aw, I love that. Fresh morning air is the best.
Yeah. Oh, we should introduce ourselves first.
Right, yes, before we start talking for an hour and people wonder, who are these two people?
Exactly. Hi, everyone. My name is Shirley. I'm from the United States, and I love talking in slow, simple English so everyone can understand. I love calm stories, gentle conversations, and peaceful moments.
And I'm Patrick, also from the US. And I enjoy slow storytelling, especially stories that feel soft and peaceful. The kind of stories you can listen to while relaxing, maybe with a cup of tea, maybe while resting in bed, or just taking a quiet break.
Yes, and today we're telling a slow English story together.
A story about a day in the city, a slow day, a peaceful day, a soft and gentle walk through the city.
A story full of simple moments, small details, soft feelings.
Yes, a day in the city, but told slowly, quietly, carefully, like a relaxing walk.
This script has slow, clear English. It has real, natural conversation. It has gentle pauses, soft moments, warm memories, and a very calm feeling.
It's not rushed. It's not fast. It's peaceful, like a quiet day in a beautiful city.
Okay, let's begin our slow story. So, Patrick, let's start from the morning. Let's imagine you are leaving your home, getting ready to spend a peaceful day in the city. What is the first thing you do?
Okay, let me picture it. I open my door and the air outside is cool. Not cold, not warm, just cool in a nice way. I take a slow breath. I look around. The street is quiet. Not many cars, not many people yet.
I love when a city is quiet in the morning.
Yeah, same. There's something beautiful about a quiet city. The sky is soft, like a light blue, kind of sleepy.
A sleepy sky. That's cute.
Yeah, a sleepy sky. And as I walk down the street, I hear just a few sounds. A bird somewhere on a tree, a distant car far away, someone slowly starting their day.
That feels so peaceful, like the city is waking up very slowly.
Yes, very slowly.
So, you leave your neighborhood, then you walk toward the city center?
Yes, and the walk is calm. The streets are clean and still. Shadows are long because the sun is still low. The air feels fresh on my face.
I can imagine that so clearly. My city mornings feel like that too. Soft light, slow movement, a quiet kind of beauty.
Exactly. And as I'm walking, I pass by a little bakery. And the smell, oh my gosh, the smell is so good.
Fresh bread smell?
Yes, fresh bread, warm pastries, maybe cinnamon rolls. I don't know, but everything smells amazing.
That smell always makes me smile. It feels safe, comforting, like home.
Yeah, warm bread smells like happiness. Even if you don't eat anything, just the smell makes you feel good.
I agree. The first quiet cafe. Do you stop at the bakery or do you keep walking?
I keep walking a little more because I know a small cafe just 2 blocks away. It's not a big cafe, not a busy one. It's a quiet cafe, the kind people go to when they want peace.
Ooh, I love small, quiet cafes.
Me too. So I walk inside and the sound changes completely. Outside, the city is open and wide, but inside the cafe, the sound is soft and gentle.
Like a warm hug.
Exactly. There's soft music playing, maybe some slow jazz or a calm piano. The lights are warm, not bright. The barista smiles and says good morning.
A simple good morning can feel so nice.
Yes, especially when it's soft, not rushed. I order a cup of coffee. I sit near the window and I just watch the city slowly waking up.
That sounds so peaceful. What do you see outside the window?
I see a few people walking with their hands in their pockets, some buses driving slowly, a woman walking her dog, a man opening his shop, and sunlight slowly touching the buildings.
Mmm, that's such a gentle picture.
And do you know what I love? In that moment, nothing feels urgent. Nothing feels fast. It's just quiet.
Yes, city life usually feels fast, but when you find a calm moment, it feels special.
Very special. I sip my coffee and I don't hurry. I look at the shapes of buildings, the people passing, the tiny details we usually ignore.
Hmm, I love that. Sometimes those quiet moments help us breathe better, think better, feel better.
Exactly.
So, what do you do next?
After I finish my coffee, I go outside again. By now, the city is a little busier, not too busy, but more awake.
More footsteps, more movements, more sound.
Yes, but still gentle. I walk slowly, not in a rush, just enjoying the air.
And where do you go?
I walk toward a small park near the center.
Oh, nice. In the park, the calmest part of the city.
The park is my favorite part. It's like a little piece of nature inside the busy city.
Yes, a green space in the middle of tall buildings.
When I enter the park, everything becomes soft again. The sound of cars gets lower. The sound of birds gets louder. And there's this gentle wind that touches the leaves.
Hmm. I can almost feel that wind.
I walk down a path, trees on both sides, light coming through the branches. The ground is covered in long shadows, soft shapes moving with the wind.
That's beautiful.
And sometimes, when the park is really quiet, you can hear people talking softly in the distance, or a child laughing, or a dog running happily.
Those sounds feel alive, but still peaceful.
Yes, like a city breathing softly.
Do you sit down somewhere?
Yeah, I sit on a wooden bench in the shade. The bench is warm from the sun. Not hot, just warm. Comfortable.
And what do you do?
Nothing. I just sit. I just enjoy. I rest my eyes, breathe slowly, listen, and let the moment be.
I think doing nothing sometimes is very important. It gives the mind space.
Exactly. And sitting in the park, listening to life around me, it makes me feel calm inside.
A small, peaceful memory. This reminds me of something. When I was younger, I used to sit in a city park near my school. Every day after class, I would buy a small snack and go sit under a big tree.
Oh, that sounds nice.
Yeah, it was my quiet place. The city was loud, but my little tree spot felt calm. The wind, the leaves, the shadows, all of it felt like a kind friend.
A kind friend. I like that. Nature can feel like a friend sometimes.
Yes, even in a busy city.
Walking toward the river. After sitting for a while, I leave the park and walk toward the river. Many cities have a river walk, and it's one of my favorite places.
Oh, same. River walks are the best.
When I arrive at the river, I hear the soft sound of water. It moves slowly, hits the stones, makes a gentle splash.
That sound is so relaxing.
Yeah. And I walk beside the water, step by step. Not too fast, not too slow. Just easy.
What do you see there?
I see reflections on the water, like dancing light. I see small boats tied to the side. I see people sitting on benches, reading, resting, talking quietly. It's peaceful, like everyone is taking a small break from life.
I feel calmer just hearing you describe it.
Sometimes, on days like this, something tiny and unexpected happens. Like maybe a little bird lands near my feet, or a leaf falls slowly in front of me, or a dog comes close and looks at me with those curious eyes.
Aw, I love moments like that.
Yeah, simple moments, but they make the day feel special.
A quiet lunch in the city. So after walking by the river, do you get lunch?
Yeah, but something simple, like a small sandwich from a local shop. Not fast food, just a fresh, simple sandwich.
And where do you eat?
Outside, on a bench near the river, or maybe in a small garden area.
Eating outside always feels peaceful.
Exactly. I take small bites, look at the sky, watch people walk, feel the sun on my arms. Everything is slow, gentle, calm.
The calm afternoon. And after lunch?
I continue walking through the city, but I stick to quiet streets, not the big, busy roads. The small ones. The ones with little shops and trees and bicycles parked everywhere.
The hidden parts of the city.
Yes, those are my favorite. The places where life is slow.
What do you notice as you walk?
I notice a woman watering her plants outside her window, a cat sleeping on a doorstep, soft music coming from a tiny bookstore, a man painting something on a canvas, a child riding a little scooter, and small cafes with people sipping warm drinks.
These details feel like soft watercolor paintings.
That's exactly how it feels, like a calm painting that moves slowly.
Afternoon light. What's the afternoon light like?
Ugh, that's one of my favorite parts. The sun becomes warm and golden. It hits the buildings in a soft angle, makes long shadows, makes colors look deeper, makes the city feel cozy.
Golden hour.
Yes, the calmest sunlight of the day.
A moment on a rooftop. Do you ever go somewhere high, like a rooftop?
Yes, actually. Sometimes I go to a small rooftop garden. Not many people know about it. It has a few plants, some chairs, and a beautiful view of the city.
That sounds magical.
It is.
When you sit up there, the noise of the city becomes soft, like a distant hum. The sky feels closer, the wind feels gentle, and the whole city looks peaceful from above.
I love rooftop views. Everything feels slower, lighter, calmer. Evening begins. The soft side of the city.
As the sun goes down, the city becomes quiet again. Lights turn on, windows glow, the sky becomes purple and pink.
Evening colors are my favorite.
Mine too. And people walk slowly, going home, visiting friends, holding warm drinks, looking relaxed.
Evening in the city feels like the city is taking a deep breath.
Yes, a long, soft breath.
Walking home slowly. Then you walk home?
Yes, I walk slowly, not rushing, enjoying the last soft light of the day. The air is cooler now. The streets are calmer. And everything feels gentle.
And how do you feel?
Calm. Really calm. Like the city gave me a peaceful day, and I'm carrying that peace home with me.
That's beautiful. When I get home, I change into comfortable clothes. I drink a warm cup of tea. I sit near my window and look at the city lights. And I think, today was simple, but it was good.
Yes, sometimes simple days are the best days.
Ending takeaway. A soft reflection.
You know, Shirley, this kind of day, a slow day in the city, it reminds me that peace is possible anywhere, even in a busy place.
Yes, peace isn't only in nature. Peace can be in a small cafe, in a quiet street, in a soft moment, in a warm sunlight, in a deep breath.
Exactly. We just have to notice it.
A calm day doesn't need big events. It just needs small moments.
Yes, small moments that make the heart quiet.
Thank you for walking through the city with me today, Patrick.
Thank you, Shirley. And thank you to everyone listening for sharing this calm day with us.
We hope you feel peaceful now. We hope you feel relaxed. And we hope your English feels a little easier.
See you next time.
See you soon.